What's up, everybody? This is Chris with Digital REM, also known as Dream Bigger on my handle. But we're gonna just go ahead and hop right into this Blender course where we're gonna show you how to apply materials to your objects. So the first thing we're going to do is apply a material. So let's go ahead and apply a material. So we have a material already applied here. We probably won't be able to tell it's a material because we do have these, we have to put it on the rendered settings. Hit this base color, just left click the base color, and you'll be able to drag and pretty much select any color you want here. So we're going to go with something more along the Digital REM blue here. Boom, we have that one color there. So you also can put in your hex codes and things like that if you do have a hex code. So you can do that. You might notice all of these other settings which you can also apply.